guys, thank you guys again for joining me in another video. In today's video we are going to be planning the month of April. I'm a little late. It is Tuesday, April 2nd, so I do need to set this up that way I can start using it. I did pre-fill some of the appointments and stuff like that I have going on, so this video wouldn't take too long to do, but I am going to let me fix this back up, but I am going to take those pages out of here so that way I can plan without having a disc in the way. Move those out of the way. Put these here. So the kit that I am using is Planner Kit 615 for the Happy Planner Classic size. These planner inserts are mine that I created for personal use. Oops, I don't know why I went all the way up there. And the size that I designed them for was the classic size, the standard, what is it, 7 1/4 by 9. And I think I put it too high. Just adjust it a little bit. Okay. And so on this end, that fits perfectly. No, it's off just by a little bit, and then on this side it fits perfectly, but I think it's because I left a little space right here where the notes is, so that's why that fits there just a tiny bit better than, and I don't know why I keep doing that. I keep putting it all the way up there, but overall it fits well in this insert. I think I did try the Erin Condren, or no, the paper pump planner 7x9, but this one fits a lot more better. So my monthlies, I like them to be a Sunday start, while my weeklies, I like them to be a Monday start. Why? I don't know, but I do. So just have to make sure that these are dated, that when I put these down it's correct, otherwise my dates are all gonna be wrong and it's gonna throw me off, because I'm gonna be like, how is it? I don't want to have to redate everything. Is what I guess what I'm trying to say, right? Sometimes when I don't record videos for a long time, I forget how to talk. And then I'm going to do this month over here, like that. Let me go grab some tweezers and I'll be right back. Okay. Sorry, those are going to be for when I put down the day dots. I am going to add this sidebar over here just to add a little bit of color to the planner so it's not so dead. Like that. Just kind of pops it out a little bit. I am going to take, I think, this pink instead of that green, thin washi, and put it down here on the planner, on the bottom of the monthlies here. And I'm just going to use this sticky notepad that I have here to tear off the washi tape. And also included on this side. do it like that. I am going to add these date blocks here that she has to kind of block off any days of the week that are not part of this month. And so like I said, this is made for the Happy Planner. I don't have a Happy Planner classic size, so I don't know how well they fit on there, but for my purpose here, they fit pretty good overall. Now I'm kind of debating if I should add the green or no washi in the bottom, because having this down here is going to be way too much. Maybe I won't put it down here yet. On the top, she did have April Fools. I'll put that in one of these to mark out April Fool's Day on the 1st. Earth Day is on the 22nd, so I'll do that as well. On the 4th at 8:15 in the morning, I have my lash appointment, which I'm super happy she was able to get me in that early. That way after that I can go to work. So I appreciate my lash tech a lot for that. On the 11th, we have conferences for Adrian. On the 12th, I have a early on appointment for Liliana. She is, what is it, 18 months? She's about to be 19 months. And to me, she is a little delayed when it comes to speaking. Like, she doesn't say a lot of words, but we are a bilingual household, so I know that plays a big part. But so they're gonna be here to kind of guide me a little bit, give me more resources on what we should be doing to be able to help her and hopefully increase her vocabulary. But on the 18th, it's my goddaughter's birthday, so I'm gonna mark that like that. I'm gonna move this appointment just up a little bit. On the 19th, it looks like the kids have half a day, so I'm gonna make sure I block that off. And then Liliana has another early on appointment here on the 26th. So we'll see how that goes. And then I do want to mark tax day here. She doesn't have a, what you call these, a holiday script one for that, but I want to mark it so that way I know that that's the day and that's when we need to get everything. I've already submitted all of our stuff to our tax person, so hopefully we get that stuff filed away before it's actually tax season date. And then I'm just gonna go in and kind of fast forward this, but I'm gonna include these date dates on here so that way we can add a little bit more color to this planner. So I will fast forward and I'll be right back. Okay, so there's that. I like it. It's pretty simple for now, pretty plain. Doesn't look like we have too much going on in April, but I always say that when we start out the month, like, yeah, we don't have a lot going on, and then slowly, surely does it fill up quick. Just trying to make sure that I'm not missing anything else here. But I am gonna go through my Wants to Co stickers. Thought I had some other ones here. I picked up some new ones. These are like Starbucks ones, birthday, baby, to-dos, and this is takeout. But I want this baby one so I can mark when my baby, he's not a newborn anymore. He was born January 7th, so February, March, April 7th, he will be 3 months. So I kind of want to block that out. And he was born on a Sunday morning. So I don't think we'll do like anything. I'm not like the mom that's like, ooh, 3 months birthday cake or something like that. No. But I do like to track those little moments there, so when I do look at it, I can be like, oh, my baby turned 3 months. Let's see. We have some wacky holidays. This Earth Day one. And I could probably put this one back in here. That way if I want to use it in my hourly layout, I can. Okay, that's all we have for those. And I'm just gonna go through my sticker kits here and see what I need to mark down recycling days, because it's every other week, so I kind of want to block those out so I know when to take out recycling. And then the other thing I need to remember is for work, their trash days. So we're supposed to have one this week. Sorry about that. My battery died along the way, and it's a couple days later. I kind of left everything here because I was charging the battery because my backup battery was also dead. But I think I was here putting in the trash days for work, so that way I know what Tuesday, just because it's brand new service that we're getting. So I'm still trying to figure out that. So these are for work, these are for home. Let's see what else. Got my trash days in. I'm just going through my Monster Co. Sticker book here, so that way I know if there's anything I need to do or put in. Organized coffee. Not getting my hair done. No paydays, because those are every week. I guess this subscription can be one of them, because the Jane's Agenda subscription comes out on the 1st, and then it's mailed out by the 19th if I'm not mistaken. So we'll see. What else do I need? Work. No doctor's appointments that I really need. We do got conferences. I will do this report card one up here under his conference. YouTube videos, I'm not even gonna put this in because they're just kind of as things go by. Okay, trying to think what else I need to put in here. I do need a birthday one. This one with a balloon. Okay, I'm gonna write on here happy birthday. Okay, and honestly I think that is it for these, because there's nothing else that I really need to put in here. Nope, I don't think so. So I think we're good. I'm gonna put this in now in my planner here. Like that. And there you go. It's still pretty kind of empty, not a lot going on. So yeah, so I'm liking it. It's nice and simple. I'm still debating if I want to I need to do my budget back here. But yeah, but that is my plan with me for this month of April. If you guys enjoy it, please give this video a like. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell button so you guys can get notified every time I post a new video. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.